Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix printer offline problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the issue with your printer and it is showing as offline, then I'll show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click here, then type control panel. Click on the control panel. Here you can see hardware and sound. In this, you will find here view device and printers. You have to just click on this. If you are using Windows 11, then you have to just click on the settings, then devices and printers, and there in last option you will find more devices and printer settings. You have to just click on that. After that, you will see this type of screen. Select your printer, then select your printer, then click on see what's printing. Here, click on this printer. You will find here use printer offline. You have to make sure this option is unchecked. If it's check mark, you have to remove this tick mark by clicking here. I had not connected any printer, so it is showing as disabled. And the second method is just click on this printer icon and cancel all documents. If any document is pending, just cancel all the documents. Then close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still it is not working, then right click on this, click on remove device and try to add the printer again. Just click on this add printer, then search your printer, then click on next and click on save. And the third method is you just need to click on this search, then type here services. Click on the services. Here type print spooler. Just press P key. Here you will find print spooler. Double click on that. You have to make sure startup type should be as automatic. Then click on start, click on apply, and click OK. And close this window. After doing all this, still you are facing the issue, then just disconnect the USB cable or LAN cable, then connect it again and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix printer offline issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.